Hey everyone, welcome back to new video. In this video we are going to see one of the craziest website which will provide a great opportunity to learn a programming language, that also with various kinds of concept, with various exercises and lot more interesting fun with it. So let's get started and look out the website, and it's completely free, so it sounds great. And please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So let's get started. Alright, the website which is Xsims.org, and this is one of the best websites where you can learn all kind of programming language with the various number of students who have been registered and learn pretty well all kind of programming language. So here are an explore and get fluency in 55 programming languages, so you can check it out: Python, JavaScript, Java, Go, Rust, C, C++, Ruby, C, Basic, TypeScript, and many more languages. So here are the various languages that you can learn easily and get explore it. So basically you need to sign up for free, and this is on a website where completely you can learn all of these programming language. So you can get up in, you can sign up it, or if you have a login with the GitHub, then you can just log in with the GitHub also. It would be great. Once you are logged in it, so here you can look out it that your profile would be displayed here, and here what are the things that you can look out in. So here you can see the continued learning on your track, which language you are selected in, you can learn with it, or else try your hand at mentoring. You can mentor different students and mentor your various students, or you wanted to contribute something to build this website, then you can contribute. There are many problems that need to be solved on this website, so that you can contribute, or if you wanted to donate. And as you can see, this website is an organization which help students to provide education, that also in free, and it's best. You can look out here all your tracks. So here you can look out 55 languages for you to be becoming a masters, and here you can search your tag language, or here all the languages have been mentioned with language you wanted to learn. And here you can also look out all the concepts and each and everything. So such as a example, we are looking forward it that you wanted to learn a Java, so here you can look out at Java. Then here you can keep your activity tracks, that here are the some of the logs, and here are the some problems that you can solve, and various things. As you move further, then you can look on your syllabus. So the much exciting part is that you can look at the design of the syllabus. It's a great as you solve the various problems and get your concept clear, the unlock, it will be unlocked, the locks will be unlocked, and you can look at it. There are various concepts: string, boolean, condition, if, and a false, if, ternary operator, all of those things. And exercise also you can look out it. All the exercises are being mentioned here with already level of programming: medium, easy, hard. So you can look out it. And so here are the various exercises and problem that would make your programming best. So it's one of the best platform that you should be looked out in. If you wanted to contribute to build this website, then you can go on it, and here you can see that explore 94 issues that are being some improve a concept or exercise that you need to maintain. Then here which language are being used, that also everything is mentioned. So you can just click on explore issue, then you can look out here the issue are which be there, and you can contribute yourself. So that sound very interesting. If you wanted to contribute and learn how the website and that all things, everything works, so you can learn from it, and this website is best. So this is all information about the website, and if you are interested, please check out it and make your programming best from this website. And it sounds good. I'm also practicing many of the languages from this, so it's a great platform. That's pretty much for this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. See you in the next time. Till that time, keep learning, keep exploring.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.